Doping is a challenge we must all rise to. Today, Interpol remains the only international law enforcement organization dealing specifically with doping of both professional athletes and amateurs. In the elite sport, the anti-doping unit has recently launched and coordinated the Operation OGIAS, a major international investigation into an alleged corruption scam involving sports officials suspected of a doping cover-up. This inquiry is considered as one of the most important corruption cases in sport ever. But the use of doping substances is no longer solely associated with professional athletes, as the internet has made products such as anabolic steroids available to mass consumers. The market is low risk, high profit, and therefore attractive to organized crime groups worldwide. Often manufactured clandestinely and in appalling sanitary conditions, performance-enhancing drugs pose serious health risks to users. The purpose of Project Energia is to help countries to understand and combat the trafficking of performance-enhancing drugs through the provision of relevant and up-to-date criminal analysis. The University of Lausanne in Switzerland supports the project through its expertise in cybercrime, intelligence and forensic analysis. Project Energia collates information on supply and demand for performance-enhancing drugs through online research, focusing on sales and distribution sites and consumer forums, and also seized products forwarded by the countries participating in the project, especially with chemical and physical profiling. The main objective of Energia are threefold: identify criminal network and their modus operandi, determine the main threat on which to focus law enforcement efforts, and foster the exchange of information between law enforcement services. This project illustrates how law enforcement, academic, and anti-doping communities can strengthen their cooperation and join the effort to effectively tackle down the illegal performance-enhancing drugs trafficking.